Are you a steak lover curious about the perfect cut? Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the iconic New York strip steak. New York strip steak is cut from the short loin, a rarely used muscle. This results in an extremely tender piece of meat. This premium cut, also known as shell steak or top loin steak, is boneless and features a perfect balance of marbling and tenderness, weighing around 12 ounces. Cooking methods include pan-searing or reverse searing on a grill. The steak's rich flavor and texture make it a favorite for any occasion. Interestingly, the New York strip becomes part of a T-bone steak when paired with the tenderloin. Each cut offers its unique taste and texture. The versatility in cooking methods and its exceptional tenderness make it a favorite among steak enthusiasts, offering an exquisite dining experience. In summary, the New York strip steak is more than just meat. It's a culinary masterpiece that combines tenderness and flavor in every bite. What's your favorite way to prepare your New York strip steak? Share your cooking tips or experiences in the comments below.